Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why England is the best country in the world. We'll explore its rich history, vibrant culture, and significant global contributions. From the Magna Carta to Shakespeare, England has shaped the world in countless ways. We'll delve into its enduring legacy and discover what makes it truly exceptional. Get ready to uncover the unique charm and profound influence of this remarkable nation. England's historical tapestry is incredibly rich, featuring pivotal moments and influential leaders who shaped not just the nation, but the entire world. Its literary heritage is unparalleled, with authors whose works continue to be studied and cherished globally. Furthermore, England's musical innovations have consistently set trends, creating sounds that resonate across generations and cultures, truly a testament to its creative spirit. England's spirit of innovation has driven monumental changes, from the steam engine to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. The widespread adoption of the English language as a global lingua franca highlights its immense cultural reach. Moreover, the foundational principles of its legal and political systems have inspired democratic movements and governance structures across continents, demonstrating a profound and lasting international influence. Beyond its historical and cultural impact, England provides a high quality of life for its residents. The National Health Service ensures comprehensive health care for everyone, a truly remarkable achievement. Its educational institutions are globally recognized, attracting students and scholars from every corner of the globe. Plus, the diverse landscapes, from rolling hills to bustling cities, offer something for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.